Hello everyone. Reassuring. Everything I'm about to show you in this video has been reviewed by the mechanics at the shop I'm at right now, so relax. We're going to fix your car's issue together. Just yesterday, someone came into the shop saying their washer wasn't draining water. The first thing we explain is that the problem is almost always in the drain system, which is responsible for removing all the water after the wash cycle. When that system fails, the water just sits there like nothing happened, and that's exactly what many people describe. The washer finishes the cycle, but when I open it, it's still full of water. Curious. Now, the most common thing we see day to day is a clogged filter or drain pump. A lot of customers say things like, "I didn't even know that needed cleaning." And when we open the filter, we find everything. Coins, lint, buttons, even small items left in pockets. One of our techs always says it straight. If the pump is blocked, the water's not going anywhere, no matter how hard the washer tries. On the other hand, there are times when the issue isn't inside the machine, but in the drain hose. Some customers mention, "I moved the washer around and after that it stopped draining," and that's when we take a closer look. Many times, the hose is kinked, crushed, or even clogged. Around here, we like to say, even if the pump works perfectly, if the path is blocked, the water has nowhere to go. Meanwhile, there are cases where the washer tries to drain but just can't, and that's when we start suspecting a worn out or damaged pump. One customer told us, "I hear a noise like it's working, but the water doesn't go down," and that usually means the pump is trying to spin but doesn't have enough power anymore or is failing internally. At that point, one of the techs puts it simply, when the pump stops doing its job, it's time to replace it. It's done its cycle. At the same time, in more modern washers, we also run into issues with sensors or the control board. Some customers say it gets stuck in the cycle and won't move forward. And that's when we know it could be the water level sensor or the board not sending the signal to activate draining. It's not the most common issue, but when it happens, it requires a more technical inspection with the right tools.